Mixed signals across assets today. Let us cut through the noise and focus on what matters most. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete global indices roundup for July 1st. Investors are selectively buying in some sectors while reducing exposure in others. Let us go region by region across the major global indices. Starting with the Americas session. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.22% at $7,516.18. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. NASDAQ 100 dipped minus 0.72% to $30,058. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. Dow Jones ticked up plus 0.27% to $52,459. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow rises, S&P 500 and NASDAQ slip as RE jitters return ahead of Micron earnings. Yahoo Finance. Starting with the Europe session. DAX is little changed, hovering near $24,997. The move follows reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. FTSE 100 is trading lower by minus 0.36% at $10,459. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Starting with the Asia session. Nikkei 225 is up plus 1.45%, trading at $70,475. Currency markets are reacting to gold's safe haven status is fading. Oil, the Fed and the dollar are driving the decline. Moneycontrol.com. Hang Seng is trading lower by minus 0.63% at $22,881. Traders are reacting to news that BHP, ASX, BHPY base metal dollar squeeze has traders watching closely. Calkine Media. KOSPI edged higher plus 0.97% to $8,476.48. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. Nifty 50 is trading higher by plus 0.59% at $24,006. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. Sensex is trading higher by plus 0.58% at $76,923. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. ASX 200 dipped minus 1.14% to $8,722.90. Traders are reacting to news that BHP, ASX, BHPY base metal dollar squeeze has traders watching closely. Calkine Media. Now, a look at some of India's most active stocks in the news today. SBI is up plus 2%, trading at 1,047.40 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by how investors are reacting to Bank of America, BAC, upgraded net interest income guidance and profit outlook. Simpliworld St. Return on equity improvement, now approaching 15%, is the re-rating story that has driven the stock higher. Government infrastructure capex lending is a low-risk, high-volume growth engine. Any NPA reversal or write-back announcement would be a positive. Reliance edged higher plus 1.09% to 1,308 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. The new energy investments, solar panels, green hydrogen, batteries, are still in capital deployment mode, but the addressable market is enormous. Near-term, any Jio subscriber addition data above expectations or retail same-store sales growth acceleration would be the catalyst. Now let us look at what is driving these moves at the macro level. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow rises, S&P 500 and NASDAQ slip as RE jitters return ahead of Micron earnings, Yahoo Finance. And looking at how some of the biggest global names are trading today. Meta made a dramatic move today, surged plus 10.88% to $624.55. Equity markets are responding to reports that Meta Platforms, NASDAQ Meta, faces RE spending test, Calkine Media. The advertising engine continues to outpace expectations. AI-driven targeting improvements are delivering direct revenue per user gains each quarter. The key variable to watch is engagement per user as Reels, Stories, and Threads compete for time. Reality Labs' losses are the one overhang, but core momentum is exceptional. ASML plunged minus 5.74% to $1,875.31 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that, news, Tesla Elon Musk discusses Terafab at ASML conference, project expected to spur UV tool orders, TrendForce. High-NA EUV shipments are the growth engine, demand from TSMC, Samsung, and Intel for the most advanced nodes is exceptional. The backlog visibility is multi-year. China export restriction risk is the key overhang. Any news on high-NA throughput improvements would be a catalyst. TSMC surged plus 4.94% to $477.57 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that TSMC signals price hikes as RE chip demand strains capacity, the tech buzz. N2 node ramp is the most important near-term catalyst. Demand from Apple, Nvidia, and AMD exceeds current capacity. The geopolitical Taiwan risk is the permanent discount the stock will carry, but the fundamental earnings power is exceptional. Arizona fab progress and U.S. CHIPS Act subsidy clarity are the structural positives. Let us give you our near-term view on the Nikkei 225. The near-term technical picture for Nikkei 225 looks constructive. Watch the $73,294 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. To summarize, 8 indices in the green, 5 in the red today. Risk-on conditions dominate the global equity landscape. Here is your market watchlist heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is your global indices roundup from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily updates across every major market.